Community health leaders say COVID-19 is circulating more, too, in Black and African-American communities.
With the Delta variant now moving through Oregon, they want to protect those most impacted by the virus. Fox 12's Drew Marine went to the vaccination event where a woman shared her own experience with vaccine hesitancy. So, Drew, how exactly are leaders trying to get more shots in arms?
Yeah, today they announced they'd be giving out $50 and $100 gift cards to those who get vaccinated at a Multnomah County vaccine clinic. And you can even get a gift card for bringing someone to get their shot.
If you're not vaccinated, you are in harm's way.
A strong message from local health leaders Thursday as Dr. Jennifer Vines with Multnomah County Public Health says they're seeing 5 times as many Black and African-American people hospitalized with COVID-19 than white people. And vaccine hesitancy is still posing a challenge, which is why they're now offering gift cards to people who get their vaccine through a county vaccine clinic.
Only 74% of adults have received at least one vaccination across the state of Oregon. But when you break that down specific to the Black, the African immigrant and refugee, the indigenous and the Latinx community, less than 50% of adults have received their first shot.
Ebony Clark, the Multnomah County Health Director, says that percentage is too low.
And why is that a problem for our community? Because we are impacted by chronic diseases such as diabetes, such as high blood pressure, and those type of things put us more at risk of being impacted and gravely impacted by COVID-19.
Desire Cage was hesitant to get vaccinated until she and her husband got a severe case of COVID.
I was dead set against it. We had the worst of the worst. We had diarrhea, vomiting, headaches. My husband was so sick that he ended up passing out and hitting his head. We had to go to the hospital. It was bad. We were both really scared.
That's when she knew they had to get vaccinated. She got her second shot Thursday at the People's Market in Southeast Portland and recommends anyone still on the fence to seriously consider it.
A lot of times with the incentives and stuff, it's a great thing, but then it's also really scary because you're why are they trying to force this upon me? But from my own personal experience, being so sick and just barely being able to walk or even see, that definitely will change your mind.
To learn more about where you can get a vaccine and a gift card, you can go to our website, kbtv.com. Live in Southeast Portland, Drew Marine, Fox 12 Oregon.